This is the story of the lion and the mouse. And here comes the lion. Here is the lion. And here comes the mouse. Where is the mouse? I don't see the mouse. Where is the small mouse hiding? It's right here. Okay. Okay, let's start now with the story. Just... Asha, थोड़ा आगे.
I am a lion. Well, I'm not. I'm gonna eat you. Please don't. I can help you. You're too small. Well, I can. Haha, we'll see. I'm stuck. Oh, I will shoot a rope. I am safe now.
Thank you.